Hi, this is George Kaiho of Jettison in Dallas, Texas. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we make margarita in house. So first of all, glasswares. Typical margarita, you can either make it up like no ice, or you can make it like frozen in a margarita glass, which sounds pretty amazing. But we use a rocks glass, so I'm gonna make it in a rocks glass. So first I'm gonna rim the outside of the glass with salt. So cut a line and just put the width with the lime juice, just the outside. You don't want to do it the inside. Just the outside coat rim it. And then gonna put the salt on. Like that. I usually just do about 25%, close to almost, or like a half. Right. You don't want like big parts of the salt, and when you lick it, it's like too much salt, so you can knock it, kind of take the extra salt off the glass. That's pretty balanced. Right, and the glassware is ready. You're gonna start building the cocktail. Let's pre-chill the glassware, and use a 2-piece shaker. Gonna start building the cocktail. Right. So the ratio is very simple. It's 2-1-1. 2 parts booze, 1 part sweet, 1 part sour. So it's very traditional, classic ratio. So 2 ounces of Cimarron. Very good value, good tasting tequila, lighter, easy drinking. And then for the sweetener, so 2 ounce, so 1 ounce, but I'm combining these two and make it 1 ounce. This is Cointreau's orange liqueur, and this is called complicated syrup, which is basically a grapefruit oleosaccharum syrup. A grapefruit oleosaccharum syrup is you take a grapefruit peel and then you combine it with sugar, vacuum seal it. The oil from the grapefruit will seep out to the sugar, and then you add water to make it into a syrup. And at my bar, when I'm busy, I don't want to explain that, so I just call it complicated. Complicated. All right. So 2 ounce, 1 ounce, and then 1 ounce of sour. 1 ounce of sour is about half of lime. Yeah, almost exactly half. If you only have the kits and don't have extra lime juice, you can kind of base out the sourness based on how much lime juice you're putting in. Just make it same. The booze is okay. The sweet and sour, you start from equal parts. That's pretty much the key. All right, the cocktail is done, so I'm gonna shake it. But one thing we do at Jettison is we want a little bit more crushed ice component. So not a slushy, but not on the rocks, but kind of in the middle. So you do want some of the ice to be a little bit crushed, like that. It's because we're basing out, we got inspired by Kill Bill 2, the movie, the very first part of scene. If you haven't watched it, watch it. It looks pretty good. Their margarita. So that's why we call it Margarita Volume 2. All right, we're ready to shake the cocktail. So full ice, and then I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna shake it very strong, but not too long, because there's already ice in here. So you don't want too much dilution, but I'm going to try to crush the ice. All right, ready? Like that. See, this sounds like, well, the ice is already crushed. And then I'm gonna put the Hawthorne strainer. In the Hawthorne strainer, you can kind of adjust it by opening it or close. If you don't want ice, you close it. You want ice, you can open it. In this case, I'm gonna open it and then try to get the extra ice in here too. Okay. Oh. See, it's kind of hard to show, but on the surface is a lot of bits of crushed ice. So it's like a mixture of on the rocks and like a crushed ice. All right. And then lastly, we're gonna garnish with very thin slice of lime. This is just for garnish, just for decoration. Make it look nice because I like things to look nice. All right, so this is a margarita. Cheers. Oh, I think I need to make another one. Oh, it's good. Damn it.